Do we know what we're doing? No. Brandon's in the shower, and I'm going to try to install, but I'm pretty sure I can, but whether or not I can install it fast enough while he's in the shower. Fuck. Side markers. Fuck, that looks hard. Damn. It looked easier on YouTube. I didn't know there was gonna be wires. Did I buy the wrong one? Did I buy the wrong one? It's already hella wobbly, so we're gonna try this. I've decided I'd rather not do that. I'd rather not mess with it. I wanted to install it and surprise him, but I won't. But I have something else. This is gonna be so funny. He's gonna hate me, and he's probably gonna take it off right away anyway. I'm so scared. Okay, right there. I'll be back. He's gonna hate me. That's so funny. He'll probably take it off like right away. Oh my god, I feel like one of those. Okay, sir, you do not need your wheel that freaking close to your freaking fender where I can't even stick my finger and pop it off. Can I? Eek. Can I? Let's try again. This little fucking clip. I feel it. Brendan, your wheel doesn't need to be this close. My finger can barely fit. Okay, it's what I thought. It's literally just push it, but I don't want to push it because I'm scared. And I'm losing daylight. And I should probably use a flathead, but I don't think a flathead would even fit in here. But I feel it. Guys, I got it off, kind of. But do I spin it? It looks like a spin, or it looks like a push or a pull. I don't know, but it's. I don't want to risk it. I'm so scared. I'm scared. Should I just fucking full send it? No full sending. I'm too scared. We'll wait for Brandon. We'll wait for Brandon. It was supposed to be a surprise, but I'd rather not break anything. Stop!
We're continuing yesterday's video.
You didn't record anything yesterday.
Yeah, because you failed miserably.
Because I was scared.
So, we're going to install
clear side markers
that are sequential. I'll have the links to these in the description down below so you guys can get yourself a set as well. But should be pretty straightforward. Everything you need is in the box. So let's get to it.
Guys, he's so silly. He could have just turned the wheel yesterday. He didn't think about that.
Yeah. So you want to start by taking the OEM one off, which is really easy. And then you want to grab this, and I've seen him do it on here easier. Boom. So they're gonna grab this and give it a little twisty, and a little old bulb, and take it out. And just yeet. Then right after you eat that, you're gonna grab your orange one and yeet. Right after you do that, you kind of want to grab these little pieces right here and just plug them in. I think it only goes in one way.
What kind of lights?
Just the regular high beams or whatever. Oh, baby!
I wanna see. Whoa! Right.
So now
it doesn't have the turn signals on yet.
no. So now you want to figure out why this is facing the wrong way because Brandon's an idiot. And then you kind of want to fish the long red wire up. It's easier for me because I have my fronts rolled and the fender liners cut a little bit. So it's a little easier for me, but for you, you're probably going to have to take a little bit off, yeah, so you can connect it. But now what you want to do is grab the turn signal one, which is going to be this one here. Where my hand is, and unplug it. Hold the camera, please. Yeah, smaller hands. Small people hands. Make sure you guys have somebody with small hands. So when you get your wire here, you're gonna have there's 7 connectors here, and I would undo this to show you, but I'm kind of looking down here. Damn, my nail came off. What? What? So there's 3 on the back side, and then there's 3 on the front side, 4 on the back side. The green one is gonna be your turn signal. So what you're gonna want to do to kind of test it is to kind of fish it in the where it's at. Kind of like that. Just leave it in there, and then the keys are in there, or what? No.
No.
Nothing at all.
Nope. No.
Oh, I cut the wire off.
It's fine. Let me do it.
No, shut up. You said the green one. That's the green one. It should have when we were just hitting the key. Oh, shit, baby! Key! What the fuck? Fuck it, never worked with wires before. Watch out. I might splice ya. Maybe a little bit less. Grip and splice, daddy. Woo, look at that!
That's clean.
That's a perfect splice if you ask me. So once you get it in there, you want to pretty much put your green one in like so. You want to make sure it's through all the way. Turn it. Should be good. You want to grab this wire. And you kind of want to fish it in until it stops. Let's work all the way through. So these are a little pain in the ass to get in once you have the connectors connected. Nancy did this side and I'm still struggling on this side. So she wins here.
So I went, instead of having it connected already and then try to plug it in, I'm going to unplug it, push that whatever back there. This might be hard for you guys if you guys still have your fender liners on. Good thing Brandon, took those off. And you kind of need somebody with small hands. You're gonna find whatever that connector is. Oh, it's harder on this side than the other side. But you're gonna look at it somehow. From this side, it's really hard. I'll show them from that side, but we'll just do this one mentally. So if you go from this side, you'll find that connector. Can they see it? It's right here. It's whatever that line is. And you just plug it in after it's already.
You can't see it. So yeah, pretty much you'll just connect everything. Again, resplice it on this side. It's gonna be the blue one on the driver's side.
Here, I got it.
Green on the orange.
This one's kind of different. So for that one, I had to go from the top, but for this one, you go from right here.
Just plug it in?
Yeah. I'm gonna need you to hold back your liner while my fingers.
Pretty much got this whole side completely done. I just gotta retape it and put electrical tape on it. This side, the freaking wire popped out, so I have to reconnect it again.
Like that?
But hopefully this is smooth and easy. Got it all finally dialed in. Like I said, make sure when you guys go on the passenger side, you guys use the blue one, or sorry, the driver's side is blue, passenger side is green when you tap into the light. But now, if you look at it, it blinks. So now when you turn signal, everyone knows that you're coming. I had these on my SI, and she got them from me from my Type R. So, that's pretty much it. That's gonna be pretty much it for the video. I hope this was helpful. Like I said, if you guys want to cop these side markers, it'll be the link down in the description. Don't think I showed my face this whole video, but it was very easy, very simple. But we're gonna head to the we're going to the casino now, which is like my birthday's coming up on Monday, so we're going to the casino. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Dab, peace.